Good day, everyone. Learn how to resize image in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So I have the image on my desktop, and when I hover the cursor, you can see the dimension and the size, which is 1.8 MB. So what I need to do is I'll just simply do a right click on that to resize it. I will click on open with and open with photos. So I'll select photos, and once it is opened, you will have the three dots on this. Click on that and then you will find resize image. Now, by any chance, if you do not have the Photos app, you can download it from Microsoft Store. All right. So once you're here, you can either change by pixel. You can also decrease the quality and you can get to know what exactly, like if I select JPG, it becomes 222 KB, which is way less. So if I want PNG, I can do that. And we can also change by percentage. So I'll make it lesser. Let's say I want 60%. So the size becomes lesser, and then you can simply save it. And you just need to give a name to it and save it like this. So I have saved it to the downloads folder, and here we go. We have a new image which is resized and even compressed. So this is how you can resize any image in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Please hit the like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.